Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is May, and today I am going to do an unboxing video because last Saturday we had a chance to go to Manila to before the implementation of the community quarantine. So my husband and I decided to celebrate our 32nd anniversary in advance, and we dropped by at the Louis Vuitton store to treat ourselves for our anniversary. So I want to share them with you. I want to show you what we got in the store. But if you seen my previous vlog, you will probably know what I got and what my hubby got in the store. So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Okay, first I want to thank my SA John for giving perfume samples for me and my husband. I was asking for the holiday bag first, but he said none already. So instead, he gave me 4 free samples. 2 for hubby and 2 for me. Thank you, John. If you are looking for bag, or if you want to buy Louis Vuitton in Soler, I can recommend you my sales associate. His name is John, and I can give you his contact number if you want. So first, this is the receipt. You can check na lang the price if you want to buy the item. You can check the price in Soler. So I'm gonna show you first what my husband got in Soler. This is the box. It's a bit heavy because it is a pair of shoes. It comes with a dust bag, of course. And my husband got the pair of Hockenheim mocassin shoes in graphite. This is size 7. See, it has the silver logo of the LV. This is the inside. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. Okay, so my husband is excited to wear them, but since he has no work as of the moment because of the COVID-19, it will be next month. He'll wait for next month to use the shoes. So this is my new bag. It also comes with the gift card and the ribbon. So has a huge box, and it says Louis Vuitton. So this is it. This has been on my radar for quite some time, and as always, I watch a lot of videos and reviews of this bag. So this is the Neo Norway in Safran color. It is in Danier Eden print with the Safran color. The lining is like this. So here is the strap. It also has the Louis Vuitton logo. Okay, you can still adjust this if you want. It's like this. Sorry. So you can shorten, or if you want a longer strap, you can adjust the strap. And then it comes with the care card. And this is the tag. And also this, it comes with the coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Please guys, if you are interested in getting Neo Norway, I can give you my SA's contact number if you want to purchase one in LV Soler. This is my second Danier Eden print. The other one is my Kickley. So this is the second one. Okay, let's try to put the strap. So here it is. If you want to use it as a handbag, you can shorten the strap. That's it guys. If you like my short unboxing video, please give it a thumbs up and like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, that's it, and I hope everyone is safe, especially nowadays with the coronavirus going on in the world. So as much as possible, let's stay at home and always clean ourselves and eat healthy food and sleep early. So Okay guys, that's it, and hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye.